So we'll start with the first definition. Okay, that is scales of measurement. First, we'll see what exactly scales of measurement mean. All right. All right. So scales of measurement or levels of measurement, everything means the same. All right. So it is, according to this particular definition, it is an expression which typically refers to the theory of scale types developed by the psychologist. Basically, psychologists developed this first. Okay, that is whatever responses. What it means is whatever responses the respondents give, it can be measured. How it is supposed to be measured. Okay, so the responses of a respondent may be in a different form. It may be sometimes numerical, or it may be sometimes alphabetical. Correct. So how do you basically classify these responses? Now this classification, why it is important? It is, yes, it is important because based on these classification only we can apply different type of analysis. Because all right, so all the type of the data or all the responses cannot be analyzed in the same way. All right, so for some type of responses we can apply average. For some type of response we can only apply frequency distribution, but not anything else. All right, so it is important that we have to study this particular topic. Okay, that is levels of measurement. So we have seen in this particular slide that it was introduced by one of the psychologists. Now there are four different measurements possible. One is nominal, second one is ordinal. Okay, first one is nominal, second one is ordinal, third one is interval, and the last one is a ratio scale. Okay, so these are the four different measures of scale. Now this is also important from the exam perspective. Usually this question is being asked, what are the different levels of measurement or scales of measurement? So the answer will be that 4. Next, what do you actually mean by nominal scale? Nominal scale is nothing but it is a categorical variable. It is a categorical variable. All right, it is also called as a categorical variable. Okay, it is a categorical variable that is called as nominal variable. It is mutually exclusive but not ordered or categories. Okay, so we will see what exactly is it using some example. First, we will see what is the definition of a nominal scale. Nominal scales are mere codes assigned to objects as labels. They are not measurements.